Welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn how to launch the Microsoft Word 2016 application, and you're going to learn how to exit the application. So we're going to be trying different methods by which you can launch the application. So the first one is to come to the Start button. That's the first method. Click the Start button. Then you come to the highlighted applications on this system. And as you can see, we have different categories of these applications on this system. The first section talks about the recently added applications. The second section talks about the most used applications. As you can see, Microsoft Word 2016 is there because I've been using that on this system. But in case you have a system that you've not been using Microsoft Word 2016 on, you are not likely to find it here. But if you scroll down a little, this is your scroll bar. So just drag the slider down. You will see a section where you have the alphabets. So the applications on this system are arranged in alphabetical order. So if we're going to locate Microsoft Word, the key letter we're going to use to search for it is Word. That is W. All right, that's the key letter we're going to use to search for it. So let's go to alphabet W. So there we are now. You can see W here, and this is Word 2016 under it. So the next thing you're going to do is to click it and wait for it to load. I've done that. And now it has brought me to this interface where I can choose from the templates that have been prepared. And we have different templates that we can choose from. As you can see, we have business, we have cards, we have flyers, we have letters, we have education, resumes and cover letters, we have holiday. So if you select each one of them, it's going to give you different templates. All right, as you can see, these are templates under business. You can always go back to home. All right, if you don't want that again, you can look at cards. All right, so you can see the cards, different templates for cards. So you can make use of any of them. But mind you, all these things are online. So if you are not connected to the internet, you are not likely to see all this. All right, so go back to home. So, but for you to create a fresh document that has nothing on it, a blank document, so you've got to come to blank document. You want to start afresh. So this is what you're going to select. So you click it, and that's going to bring you to Microsoft Word 2016 interface. We're still going to be talking about the components of the interface later. But the next thing I want to teach you is how to exit this application, how to quit the application. So how are you going to do that? There are different ways by which you can quit the application. The first way of quitting is to come to this icon here. You can see X. It is used in closing applications. So if I click it, it's going to close this application. However, that X is going to close the entire application. But if you're working and you just want to close only the document, that is the current document, all you need to do is to go to File, then come to Close. Then you will see that the document is no longer here, but you are still within the application. So to now close the application finally, you're going to come to that X, and once you click it, it's going to close it. Now you may be wondering, why do you have to close the document? You can close the document if you don't need the document again. And you may want to open another document without leaving the application. So that's why you come to File and use that close command. However, if you don't want to close the document, you just want to close the entire application, all you need to do is to come to this X, which represents close, and you will close the entire document. So you can click now. So you can see that it has closed that application. Now, like I said the other time, there are different ways by which you can open your Microsoft Word application. One of the ways by which you can achieve that is to come to the search box here. As you can see, you see type here to search. So you can type the keyword. You're looking for Microsoft Word, so we use Word as the keyword. So I'm going to type Word, and as you can see, the application is here now. So all I need to do is just to click this application, and it's going to launch the application for me. Look at where it has brought me again. Here I can now select my blank document, and I have Microsoft Word 2016 interface now. So to close it, you do the same thing. You come to X, and that's going to close the application for you. All right. Now the third way by which you can do that is to use the key on your keyboard called Windows key. All right. So when you tap the Windows key, I've taught you earlier what Windows key is on your keyboard. So make use of that. And when you tap the button, it's going to bring up the list of applications you have, and from there you can scroll down to where you have Microsoft Word and launch it. And look at it now. I would click a blank document, then I have the Microsoft Word 2016 interface. Like I said earlier, in the next video you're going to be learning the components of this interface. You're going to understand what each of them stands for. All right. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.